Yeah. But so I'm making a video right now. Things you can do in the shed if it rains. Well, that was fun. Now thing number 2, you probably expected this. I got me pooter. Okay, thing number 3. Drums. Thing number 4. Thing number 5. Find wild animals in the shed. Seahawks. Enjoy some natural beauty. You gotta switch out the wheels in the scooters. Because I don't think you can finger whip this deck. You would probably break something. I got a high roller. Okay, hope you like this video. I'll see y'all next time when something else happens. Bye-bye.